To see your grade and feedback for a quiz that you've taken in Schoology, like our most recent math quiz, please go into our math course, and on the left-hand side, click on the grades. And here you will find whether you have completed all of your assignments, whether you have made a submission for lessons, and you will also note there are comments on the right side here as well. So you're going to scroll down to the formative area, and you're going to click on the quiz that we took after lesson 413, and you can note your score here, as well as the comment that says please view your submission and see your comment for Q4. So when you click on your quiz, you will see that if you've taken more than one submission, then all of your submissions will be here along with your time taken and your score. And if you hover over the comment button, it says that this submission has questions with associated comments. Click on View Assessment to see them. So to the right of this is the View Assessment, and click on your most recent submission. And here you can see your correct answers for each of the questions, as well as the instructor comment, the feedback that your teacher has given you, and the score associated with the question, as well as when you click on the rubric icon, you will see the rubric, which will remind you how we will be assessing. So please take the quiz again if you did not get a meeting expectations on this question 4, and submit another submission for this quiz for your teacher to see your improved communication.